Alright everybody, what's happening? It's your boy Jesse here, and welcome back to another video. It's that time of year again. Time to start out the Craftsman LT3000 lawnmower. Had this lawnmower for many years now. There's the manufacture date down there, October of 2006. Still in good condition, although it probably is going to need a future paint job. There are some scratches and whatnot. The seat, I had the Gorilla Glue because the seat cushion was worn out. So yeah, it's a Everstart battery. There's the date on it. I did clean up the battery terminals the best I could. There are still some corrosion, I guess, still on it. I'm sure some of y'all are going to be mad because I didn't use any juice to spray it, but I don't have that kind, is what I'm saying. This cover, for whatever reason... Oh, I hope I have the terminals on right. I think I do. I don't know. We'll just pretend that they're on right. If it doesn't start, then I'll just have to fix the terminals. But I'm pretty sure they're on right. If not, I'll just fix them. So that's kinds right there. That kind. Let me know in the comments if I got them right. I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah, I do. The positive terminal's got some corrosion right there. There's nothing I can really do about it. I don't have any juice. I put the watt meter on it. It's actually showing like 12.80 volts, I think. So this battery is still good. It doesn't even need charge. There's some, some corrosion. Ooh. I don't know what happened to that negative terminal, but we'll just pretend we didn't see that. A little update, some updates that I've done to it. I finally fixed an issue where the blades are not parking when it was at a lower level. So if I brought it like to 4, see how might be difficult to see, but this was not parking. Like if I turn the blades on, see, and it was actually really tight lifting this up, and it's not so tight anymore. And you see it's parking like it should now. So not only did I have to spray a spring, I had to spray pretty much the whole mechanism while avoiding spraying the belt with WD-40. 6-speed, or I guess 7, including the 6-speed, including reverse. Here's the engine for it. Yeah, I did check the oil. It is right in the middle. It's not around the add mark. I really don't have enough oil to do an oil change, unfortunately. Carburetor right over there, I think, or that's the air filter. I'm not sure. I did put some gas in it. I don't mind the fuel smell, the fuel spill. I forgot to wipe that spot. I'll clean that up here in just a minute. I forgot about that. Spilled some fuel trying to add it. That's what I'm saying. I think this is either the coil, the alternator. I don't know. Something like that. It's got a positive terminal. It could be the starter too. I'm not sure which one that is, but it does have some issues where it cranks over, stops cranking, and re-cranks again. So I don't know if that issue's been resolved. Got a cup holder kind, a steering wheel. It's kind of loose for whatever reason. I'm not sure what that's about. I think it's something to do with one of these arm bars. Yeah, see how that's got some play to it? I think that's why the steering's loose in the first place, but we'll just pretend we didn't see that. I don't think this one's not. Alright, they're actually both loose. Okay. So that's why the steering's kind of got some play to it. Actually making the hole. Yeah, so it probably does, so the chassis probably does need some future work. or some work in the future, whatever. The tires have never been changed before. They're all still holding air, although I never checked the tire pressure. But they seem to be holding air. One of them had a leak, I think. And yeah, this one may be just that. Yeah, this one's just a hair too low. And unfortunately, I don't have the air compressor. The air compressor is not in the garage anymore. It's actually in the shed now. So hopefully it'll be enough tire pressure for me to cut. Does have headlights. Does have some issues every once in a while where the headlights don't come on right away. I have to flip the switch on and off a couple times. Alright, well, without further ado, I'm going to stop recording here for a minute and get everything all set up. And I'll get back with y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, everybody, I'm back. Had to put my earmuffs on. So that's why I had to stop recording there. So, without further ado, let's see if this lawnmower will start. Brake clutch in. Choke on. See what happens. Bring the thunder. Ooh. Very surprised it started. I don't know what that huge honk was at the start. Yeah, that belt's pretty warm. You can see it bouncing it. Surprised it's not even misfiring. Yeah, that belt's definitely worn out, I guess. Feels still, but that's okay. It will evaporate. Do some more tests. I'm going to do some transmission tests. Yeah, I think the brakes are kind of shot. Yeah. So I don't know if it's the clutch or the brake, but one of them is worn out. Or it has to delay stopping. Or maybe it's normal. I'm not sure. Could be the drive belt going out too. Alright, well, now we're going to do the, I gotta turn the parking brake off for this. And this is a safety thing where you have to turn the key one time. That's the safety thing for the blades. If you're cutting grass, while in reverse, that's what the safety switch is for. Alright, here comes the blades test. Yep, that works. Nice. Alright, well that's pretty much all the tests. Like I said, the blades are now parking or turning off like they should after lubricating the mechanism and the springs. Even the PTO cable was tight. too tight, I should say. Oh, wow. Alright everyone, well that's going to wrap up this video. Not even misfiring like it did last year, which I'm very well surprised. Alright, well thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Turn on the bell and set it to all if you're on mobile. See you all in the next one. Peace.